Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to put UltraTV on the latest Kodi 18. So once you've installed Kodi 18 you need to launch it and it should run like this. Once you have this screen you want it to go up to the top where this cog is highlighted here and press select on that cog. Now I want you to go down to system and down to add-ons, and once you get here press right once and then go down to unknown sources and then press OK or select on that and then just go to yes. That's going to enable you to install UltraTV. Now go up to the top here, you just press escape once to get back to this menu or back. Then you want to click on File Manager. And now you want to go down to Add Source and press OK or Select. OK, press OK or Select again where it says None. And you want to type this address in. So you're going to pause this the video now and make sure you get it exactly the same. Where it's capital letters, you need to make sure yours has the same capital letters and the same small letters. It's case sensitive, so if you get it wrong, it won't work. So pause the video, get it exactly the same, and then press play again on the video. Okay, hopefully you got the same as me. Once you've done that, press OK on press select or OK on OK, and then go down to where it says Wizard and just change that to Ultra, and go to OK. If you get a pop-up message here saying couldn't connect to the source, you still want to add yes or no, press no and go back in. It's more than likely you've got the wrong. You typed that HTTP address in wrong. Just double check that. Sometimes it's because it's offline, but most of the time it's because you typed it in wrong. So if you get that message, just go back, double check it, make sure you've got it right. If you've got it right, it should just come straight out, no pop-up message, and you see it's been added here now to here. So press escape or back several times to get to the main screen again. This time I want you to go down to add-ons, press select, press up, and you've got a little picture of like a box opened up. I want you to press select or OK on that. And now you want to go down to install from zip file, press select, and then go down to Ultra. This is the one you've just added, press select, and then go down to plugin, program, UltraTV zip, and press select. That's now going to download the installer. So you go up to my add-ons, press select, and then down here, once that's installed, you should get program add-ons appear in between look and feel and peripheral libraries here. Should they appear in a minute? It might take a little bit of time to download. There we go. You see the pop-up message there says UltraTV, and you're going to have this now. If you want, you can select all of these. What this does is the next time you're going to install UltraTV, it's going to keep all your login detail from like Sportsmania, stuff like that. It's also going to keep in your Real Debrid account details, your track details, so you're not having to put them account details back in again when you update to a new version of UltraTV. Press continue. And then if you get this pop-up message, just press escape. Now you should get this one here where it says build menu and ignore. Just go to build menu and press select. And you should get this one here. This is a new updater. So you've got a lot of options here. Don't worry about all the others. Just select on builds. And at the moment, it will change over time. At the moment, I've just done two builds. One for the Fire Sticks, which is a basic build, and then build a lot more features on it for the boxes. But if you try and put this one on the Fire Stick, it'll probably be so slow. So for this one, I'm just going to install the Fire Stick one. Once you highlight the one you want, press right, and then go down to install and press select. If you want to install, just click yes. And then what it'll do two stages as usual. It's going to download it first, and then the second stage it's going to install it. once it's installed it's going to kick you out of Kodi, and then you just restart Kodi and your new version of UltraTV should be on. Alright, if you have any problems, leave me a message in the Facebook group or direct message me and I'll get back to you. Alright, thank you very much for watching and goodbye.